So Navishta, we are continuing with the chapter unitary method. Okay.
One second, ma'am, I'll get my book.
Yes. In the meantime, I am writing the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Navishta, read this question and tell me what do we have to do.
Yes, ma'am. If the cost of a dozen identical articles is rupees 672, what will be the cost of 18 such articles?
What the question has given to us? The cost of a dozen identical articles means
12.
cost of 12 articles is given as rupees 672. So cost of one article would be,
672 by 12.
yes, do the division and tell me how much.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. 156.
Yes, rupees 56. Now they are asking what will be the cost of 18 such articles. So cost of 18 articles would be how much?
18 multiplied by 56.
Yes, multiply 56 with 18 and tell me how much is the answer.
Now 1058. No?
Yes, Navishta.
1058.
1058. 56 multiplied by 18. So 8 6 are 48. 8 5 are 40. 44, then 56, 8, 10 and 10. The answer should be 1008. Where you did the mistake?
Instead of 4, I wrote 9, ma'am.
Where? Instead of?
4, I wrote 9.
Okay. So the answer is rupees 1008. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now I'm writing the next question. Next question is, a car covers a distance of 180 kilometers in 5 hours. So they are asking how much distance will the car covers in 3 hours with the same speed. Tell me what to do.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so what does the question says? Question says a car covers a distance of 180 kilometers in 5 hours. So distance covered by car in 5 hours is 180 kilometer.
Yes, ma'am.
So what would be the distance covered by the car in 1 hour? 180 divided by 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much it would be?
1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 36.
36. So now they are asking that how much distance will the car cover in 3 hours? So for 3 hours, what do we have to do?
Multiplied by 36.
Yes. So multiply it.
Okay, ma'am.
So that much kilometer would be the answer.
Ma'am, 108.
108. You just woke up, Navishta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it seems. How's your mom now?
She is fine, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is, if it has rained 276 centimeter in the last 3 days. So how many centimeter of rain will fall in 1 week? So what do we have to do in this?
Mom, find the centimeters of rain rained in 1 day, and then we have to multiply it by
Yes.
7.
So for 1 day, it would be, first of all, for 1 day, it would be 276 divided by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever the answer would be, you have to multiply with, for 1 week, multiply with 7. So that would be the final answer. So do the multiplication and division.
Multiplied by 7. 92.
Yes, 92 multiply by 7 is how much?
644.
644 centimeters. Correct. Next question is, cost of 10 kg of wheat is rupees 180. So what is the cost of 18 kg of wheat? And next, what quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 432? So what do we have to do in the first part? So
we have to find the 1 kg of wheat and then multiply it by 18.
yes, for 1 kg it is 180 divided by 10. So that would be 18, right? You have to multiply with 18,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So what's the answer?
I'll do it, ma'am.
Yes, so this much rupees.
Ma'am, 324.
324. So this is for A part. For B part,
I don't know, ma'am, how to do B part.
okay. So B part, in B part they are saying that what quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 432. Like 180 we get 10 kg. So for 432 how much kg do we get? So cost of 10 kg of wheat is given to us as rupees 180. So wheat purchased in rupees 180 is 10 kg and wheat purchased in rupees 1 would be 10 upon 180. So now wheat purchased in rupees 432 is 10 upon 180 into 432. Now you have to do this calculation and the final answer would be that much kg of weight can be purchased from rupees 432.
Okay, ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, can you show me the dividation? I'm not able to do it.
0 cancel with 0. Then 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Then 3 yes 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21 and 3 2s are 6. Then again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 24 kg. But this seems difficult for you, right? Now, Ishta, you understand how I cut the numerator and denominator?
Yes, ma'am.
But why do you feel it difficult? कि तुम्हें क्यों लगता है ये difficult ये वाला cutting वाला instead of dividing अगर तुम division instead of division you opt for ये cutting वाला. अभी मैं तुम्हें एक छोटा सा वो देती हूँ, तुम एक बार मुझे ये करके दिखाओ. ये करके दिखाओ इसको कैसे कट करेंगे इसको. सबसे पहले हम सबसे लीस्ट नंबर चेक करते हैं. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and denominator
1 are 2, 2 2 are 4.
Okay, then
Ma'am, 3 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3.
Correct.
3 4 are.
Yes. बस अभी ये कट नहीं हो पाएगा. तुम्हें तो ये वाला कट वाला आता है अच्छे से. हाँ, so इंस्टेड की डिवीजन तुम ये कट वाला ऑप्ट करो ताकि जल्दी डिवीजन हो जाए. चलो नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन करते हैं, ठीक है. इसमें हमको क्या करना होगा कि रोहित बाइज 10 पेन्स फॉर 150 और मनोज बाय 14 पेन्स फॉर 168. सो हु गेट द पेन चीपर? सो अगर हम दोनों पेन की, सिंगल पेन की कॉस्ट निकाल लें जो रोहित ने बाय किए हैं और जो मनोज ने बाय किए हैं, सिंगल पेन की, एक पेन की अगर कॉस्ट निकल जाए तो हमें पता चल जाएगा जिसकी कॉस्ट कम है तो उसने वो कम रेट में बाय किए हैं तो वो चीपर होगा। तो इसकी ये रोहित,
It is 15 rupees.
फॉर रोहित इज 15 रुपीज, करेक्ट। और फॉर मनोज हाउ मच?
168 by 14.
सो हाउ मच?
I'll do it now, 1 second.
ओके।
Mom, 12. Mom,
Yes, rupees 12. So who buys a cheaper pen?
Manoj got cheaper pen.
Correct. So Manoj pen is cheap. So next question I'm writing here. A tree 24 meter high casts a shadow of 15 meter at the same time the length of the shadow casted by some other tree is 6 meter. So find the height of the tree. तो इसमें हमें क्या दिया है? ट्री जो कि 24 मीटर जिसकी हाइट है वो शैडो कास्ट करता है 15 मीटर की, ठीक है। सो लेंथ ऑफ शैडो कास्टेड बाय अदर ट्री, अदर ट्री की कितनी दी हुई है लेंथ? 6 मीटर, ठीक है। सो इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? हाइट ऑफ ट्री विच कास्ट शैडो ऑफ 15 मीटर, वो तो है 24 मीटर, एंड हाइट ऑफ
First, find how much shadow is casted for 1 meter.
for 1 meter. For 1 meter, how much it would be? 24
by 15.
by 15. Yes. Then
Ma'am,
for
then
we have to multiply by 6. Yes. Calculate it. So firstly 24 upon 15. So whatever the answer would be, you have to multiply by 6. So that is our final answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it 8.5?
No, it is not 8.5. This is 3 5 the and 3, 8, 8 the 24. So 8 by 5, 840.
Ma'am, we can't put 8.5.
Hmm?
We have to put 8 by 5, not 8.5.
Why 8.5?
Because it's a fraction right now.
So why you saying that 8.5 हम लिखें इसको? हम इसको 8.5 तो लिख ही नहीं सकते.
Okay, ma'am.
इसको चाहे तो आप एक काम कर सकते हो, इसको या तो डिवाइड कर सकते हो या तुम इन तीनों को एक साथ कर सकते हो कैलकुलेशन. इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग अलग, आई मीन डिफरेंटली, आप क्या कर सकते हो, 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6, ये कर सकते हो.
6 multiplied by 24, 15 multiplied by 1.
यस. सो ये क्या होगा, 3 2 the 6, 3 5 the 15.
चेक कर रही है अभी उम्र में.
So 24 2 the is 48 को 5 से डिवाइड. तो आप 48 को 5 से डिवाइड कर लो. So this would be 5 9s are 45. So you get 3. फिर आप यहाँ पे एक डेसिमल लगाओगे, इधर 0 लोगे. 5 6 are 30, right? So it would be 9.6 meter. Okay. Okay, Navishta, understood? Navishta, you understood the calculation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next question is next. A made 84 runs in 6 overs and B made 126 runs in 7 overs. So who made more runs per over? So runs made by A in 6 overs is 84 runs, or runs made by B in 7 overs is 126 overs, right? So runs scored by A in 1 over, 1 over में कितना होगा?
84 by 7.
By 6. 84 by 6.
6.
By 6. So ये जितना आएगा, और B वाले के लिए run scored by B in 1 over is 126 divided by 7. So जिसका रन ज्यादा होगा, जिसका फाइनल आंसर ज्यादा होगा, उसने ज्यादा रन स्कोर किया होगा. ये डिवाइड करो.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, how much is this? How much?
Ma'am, first one is 14 and the second one is 18.
14 runs. And this is 18 runs. So who scored more? B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So B scored more than A. Okay. So next question is, Geeta types 108 words in 6 minutes. So how many words would she type in half an hour? So what do we have to do in this? We have to calculate the words in half an hour. So for 1 hour, in 1 hour, the 1 hour we have 60 minutes,
Yes,
right? So for half an hour,
30
in
minutes.
30 minutes. So first of all, we have to calculate words in 1 minute. So words in 1 minute would be
1 minute.
100 and yes, 108 upon 6. This would be how much?
1 second, ma'am. I'll do it.
Then whatever the answer would be, you have to multiply that with 30 or 30
Okay, ma'am.
minutes. That would be your final answer.
18 multiplied with 30. Ma'am,
Yes,
540.
540. Yes, this is 18, right? So 18 multiplied by 30 is 540 words. नविश्ता, तुम्हारे बुक में भी इस सेम यही टाइप के क्वेश्चंस है ना यूनिटरी मेथड में?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, और कितनी एक्सरसाइज है तुम्हारे इसमें?
It's the same.
हाँ,
The questions are different, but the type.
ओके. हाउ मेनी एक्सरसाइज डू यू हैव?
Ma'am, 3.
3 exercise.
Yes, ma'am. Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C, and in that points are there. Exercise 1.3.
Okay. So next question is, Mr. Chopra pays rupees 12,000 as rent for 3 months. So how much does he has to pay for a year if the rent per month remains same? So how we should calculate this? Navishka?
Ma'am, it was showing fail to detect your microphone.
Are you able to listen me?
Yes, ma'am. Microphone.
Now now it's fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, so tell me, how do we have to do this question?
Mr. Chopra pays rupees 12,000 as rent for 3 months. How much does he has to pay for an year if the rent per month remains same? Ma'am, we have to find the rent of 1 month and multiply it by 12.
Correct. So for
Shall we
1 month,
do it, ma'am?
yes, for 1 month, what do we have to do?
Ma'am, we have to divide 12,000 by 3.
By 3. So the answer,
Ma'am.
whatever would be, we have to multiply by 12. So
Yes,
that would be our final answer. Yes, find it out.
12,000 by 3 is 4,000 maybe, ma'am.
Yes, 4,000, correct.
And then we have to multiply it by 12. I'll do it now.
Yes.
12 4 48. Ma'am, 48,000. Ma'am,
48. Yes,
1,000.
48,000, correct. So next question is, a truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 1188 kilometer. So how much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 3,300 kilometer. So what do we have to do? So did you understand, Amisha, or not?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
So what do we have to do?
A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 1,188. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 3,300 kilometers? Ma'am, we have to divide it by 1,188 by 108, and then we have to multiply it by 33,000.
Here they are asking that for this much kilometer, 3,300 kilometer, how much diesel is required? How much liter of diesel is required? So we have to calculate the diesel required to cover 1 kilometer. So diesel required to cover 1 kilometer would be 108 divided by 1188, and then diesel required to cover 3,300 kilometer, we have to multiply 108 divided by 1188 have to be multiplied with 3300. So calculate this. That would be your final answer. So that much liters of diesel is required to cover 3,300 kilometer distance.
Okay, ma'am, 1 second, I'll do it. Mom,
Yes.
it's 11 multiplied by 3,300, 36,300.
So how much liter of, what is the final answer?
36,300, Mom, I got.
36,300. If we cut this by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8.
Babu Jha. Did I get it wrong, Mom?
Yes, Navishta, what are you saying?
Mom, did I get it wrong?
Yes, yes, the calculation is not correct. So इसको हम फिर से 2 से करेंगे. 2 2 जा 4, 2 7 जा 14. इसको 2 से करेंगे तो 2 2 जा 4, 2 9 जा 18 and 2 7 जा 14. फिर हम 27 को इधर 3300. फिर हमको इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ये और कट नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3300 को 27 से मल्टीप्लाई करो.
Mom, I'm not able to get it.
There, Navishta.
Mama. I'm not able to get it.
ये देखो, अगर हम इसको विदाउट कैलकुलेशन मतलब विदाउट कटिंग भी इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं. एक सेकेंड रुको. Naisha, just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
नीचे. So अगर हम 3300 को पहले 108 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3300 को जब हम 108 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3300 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 108, तो हमारा आंसर होगा 356,400, जिसको हमें डिवाइड करना है 1188 से, राइट, 1188 से। सो अगर हम 11 को हम चेक करते हैं, इलेवन से अगर नविष्टा हम इसको डिवाइड करके देखते हैं, 11 1 जा then 0 then 11 8 जा is 88, और इसको हम करेंगे 11 से डिवाइड, सो हमारा क्या आंसर आएगा 11 से डिवाइड। नविष्टा, यू आर देयर?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. I'm just not able to understand this question.
कहाँ से समझ नहीं आया? From where did you get it?
From when I started multiplying.
ये वाला पार्ट, ये कैलकुलेशन, दिस कैलकुलेशन, नविष्टा, नविष्टा,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। इंस्टेड की, एक सेकंड, इंस्टेड की हम ये मल्टीप्लाई वाला करते हैं, मैं तुम्हें ऐसे ही करके दिखाती हूँ। 108 को हमें 1188 से डिवाइड करना है और 300 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो हम इसको 11 से करेंगे। 11 1 is 11, then 0 and this is 8, 11 8 is 88, और इसको भी 11 से करेंगे। 11 3 is 33 and 0 0, then 108 cancel with 108, so our final answer is 300, I think, liters, yes। देख रहे हो नविष्ठा कि ये कैलकुलेशन बहुत इजी थी, अगर हम उसको ऐसे कैलकुलेट करते तो हमारे लिए बहुत लेंदी हो जाता, हम इसको ऐसे कट करके कर रहे हैं तो ये भी बहुत लेंदी हो रहा है। सो इंस्टेड की पहले ये चेक करना कि हम किसको किससे कट करेंगे, ठीक है? ये कैलकुलेशन कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
यू गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
ठीक है, तो अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं, एक सेकंड रुको।
मम्मा
So I'm writing the question now, Ishta, just give me 2 minutes. Navishta, can you read the question and tell me you understood or not what we have to do? Navishta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the question.
If John walks 250 steps to cover a distance of 200 meters, find the distance covered by him in 350 steps.
Yes. So firstly, we have to find the distance covered in one step. So one step distance would be
200 by 250.
200 divided by 250, right? And
Yes.
for getting our answer, that is for getting the distance for 350 steps, we should multiply with 350, right? So
Yes,
200 divided by 250
1.25.
multiply by 350. So how much that would be?
1.25 multiplied by 350. 437.5.
Zero cancels with zero, and here this is 5 5s are 5 7s are is 0, then 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, and 20 is 5 4s are 14 with multiply with 20 is the answer is 14 to the 28, 280 meter. You got this answer or not?
Yes, ma'am.
280 meter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Navishta, any other, because according to me the chapter is over, because we don't have any means other type of questions. Mostly the questions we have done. So after this, what should we do? So your class is completed. अभी हम इंग्लिश स्टार्ट करें कि साइंस? Science. So in science, can you tell me, can you text me, I mean, what chapters we have to cover now? Because हमने जो chapters cover किए थे वो तुम्हारे एग्जाम के बेसिस पे किए थे, राइट? फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो के जो तुम्हारे एग्जाम में आने थे, ठीक है? तो तुम मुझे एक चीज करना कि तुम SSSI की ऐप पे मेरे को टेक्स्ट करना कि जो चैप्टर तुम्हारे साइंस के रह गए हैं अभी जो आने हैं एग्जाम में,
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
ठीक है? सो वी विल स्टडी दैट फ्रॉम टुमारो. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, चलो बाय
Bye, ma'am.
बाय.